Welcome to Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 32. The velocity of money is represented as option A. Option A says money supply over real GDP. Option B says real GDP over money supply. Option C says normal GDP over money supply. And option D says real GDP over nominal GDP. Now, Professor Fishing, Irene Fishing, modified the quality and quantity of money into what is known as velocity of money circulation. Velocity of money circulation, according to Professor Fisher, refers to the speed at which money circulation within the economy by changing from one hand to another. When there is an increase in the velocity of money in circulation of money, price will increase, leading to a lower value of money. It is expressed in what is known as the quantity equation of exchange and represented by the equation MV equals to PT, where our M is equals to supply of money, our V is equals to velocity of circulation of money, our P is price level, and our T is quantity of goods. So for our formula and from our definition, money supply over GDP, real GDP is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you. Please subscribe for more past questions.